Dear Diary, I've been feeling really unmotivated these days. Summer's been pretty uneventful. Maybe I should try enjoying the small things in life. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder after all. The sky is so crusty. Ta-da! My sister told me to keep it simple because she told that her friend wouldn't care and she would just rip apart the packaging anyway. Hi, good morning. It's currently Saturday and I've been online shopping. But not shopping, basically just scrolling for stuff I'll never buy. Cats. So number 2, this suspicious looking blue bag. I really want to get it, but I don't know if the quality will be good enough.
What the dog doing?
It took me a while, but I'm finally done with it. And I think it's quite cute. Except the hair, I need to fix the hair around a bit. Other than that, it's quite cute. wanted.